In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn on paid subscriptions on Substack. By the end, you'll know exactly how to connect your payment processor and set clear monthly and annual prices so readers can support your work. Start by opening your Substack dashboard and heading to Settings. This is where all the core controls for your publication live. If you can't not seeing the option immediately, look for a gear icon or the settings link in your navigation. Substack's layout can shift slightly over time, but the settings area is consistent and designed to centralize payments, preferences, and publication details. Inside settings, find the option to connect with Stripe. Substack uses Stripe as its trusted payment provider to handle subscriptions securely and get payouts to your bank account. When you select this, you'll be guided through a quick authorization flow. Keep an eye on the prompts and complete the connection so Substack can accept payments on your behalf. If you already use Stripe for other projects, this simply links your existing account. If not, Substack will walk you through what's needed right from that screen. After the connection is complete, go back to Settings and navigate to the section labeled Pledges. This is where you define the price points your audience will see. Think of pledges as the standard subscription amounts readers can choose to pay to access your paid content. Enter your monthly pledge amount first. Choose a number that reflects the consistent value you deliver. Consider how frequently you publish, the uniqueness of your insights, and what comparable newsletters in your niche charge. Many creators start modestly to lower the barrier for new supporters, then revisit pricing as their archive and audience grow. Keep the figure simple and memorable. Round numbers make it easier for readers to decide quickly. Next, enter your annual pledge amount. A common approach is to offer a meaningful discount compared to paying month to month, which rewards long-term supporters and improves retention. For example, if your monthly price multiplied by 12 feels a bit high, bring the annual total down to reflect a percentage savings your audience can immediately understand. Clear, transparent pricing helps readers feel confident about upgrading. That's it. You connected your payment processor, returned to pledges, and set your monthly and annual amounts. With these pieces in place, your publication is ready to welcome paying supporters. As you publish, pay attention to reader feedback and engagement and revisit your pricing when you expand formats or increase frequency. You can adjust the amounts later as your value evolves, but starting with thoughtful, straightforward pricing will set you up for success from day one.